Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is currently the 22nd, and let me make sure of that. Yes, today is December the 22nd. It is currently 3:26 p.m. in the afternoon Central Time. What I wanted to do is pretty much show you all what my credit card, well, not my credit card statement, but what my credit card transaction list looked like from this amount, this amount right here, starting at $69.21. And I did write down where I owed, KFC $10.09, and that was the last transaction, which made this $69.21, just so I can sort of stay on track of things. And I did write this out for color coding. As you can see, for fast food, I did want it in pink, but yeah, I was not going to be able to see that all together. So we have fast food, miscellaneous, Christmas in gray, and food in this brown color. I did go through already and color code everything, so you all don't have to sit through the painfulness of me taking my time trying to shade in anything. And if you hear the dog snoring, Jasmine is laying on this pillow and she is currently sleeping or taking a cat nap, dog nap, whatever you want to call it. But she's out. Like, she sleeps so good. It's like she works, I don't know, a 24-hour shift for 5 days a week or something. So if you hear her snore, that's why she's sleeping. Let's go ahead and talk about these transactions. And when everything gets settled, I will go ahead and pay it off. So for the ones that have not seen my previous video, which I will link it above. Also, I am recording this video early, that way I can have it already in my phone so I can just edit and upload. If you haven't seen the previous video, I went over my pre-budget. Since I do get paid Wednesday, I also announced, just like everyone else. Why are they blowing their horn? Anywho, stuff going on outside. I did announce the new Blassed Ladies Challenge for 2026. There are 3 options, so you can save it how you want, or you could save $15 on the 15th and $30 on the 30th, or if you need a lower option, you can do that as well. I am saving how I pretty much want to save, so I print that one out because on the 15th I may not have nothing but, let's say, $2 or $3, and on the 30th I may end up with, I don't know, $25. So I'm just going to save that way. Let's talk about these transactions. So Navy Federal Repay. Repay. So starting out at $69.21, that's the current balance that shows. And then we have a balance for OTA, which is $108.65. It is still pending. And I got that on my dad's birthday, which was, of course, December the 15th from OTA. I did go ahead and, like I said, highlight everything. Next, totally forgot about Amazon Prime yearly subscription, which is a total of, with tax, $152.21. But I will get a credit back from Navy Federal for the full amount for that subscription, which is $139 a year. And that'll take a few days to a few weeks to come back. But this is the amount plus tax, and I'll just pay the difference. Next, we have Captain D's on the 19th. And that was $17.32. Y'all, Captain D's, I love their fish and all of that, but this is just one meal plus tax. And don't y'all know I ended up getting some funnel cake sticks that I thought I put in the refrigerator, but I ended up leaving them in the microwave overnight, so I had to throw them away. That was a waste of $4 and some change. I think $4.35 if I'm not mistaken. Next, we have a Amazon purchase. My mom's friend is like, you know how older people think us not new people, but millennials can pretty much do anything. So he believes that I could do anything when it comes to setting stuff up for his Roku, ordering stuff, all of the above. So he had a camera in his living room to look outside, and something happened to that one. So the same camera that we have here at home that we typically use for the dog, I ordered that one, and I did highlight it in green for miscellaneous, but I will get my money back from him when I go home, or I can, you know, take it out of the offering money and have my mom to put it in church, whichever way. Next, we have Crocs. These are 2 pair of Crocs. And let me tell you, I sent my niece a text message on Tuesday. Like, hey, what are some things you may want for Christmas that do not cost an arm and a leg? Because, as I said before, she's bougie, y'all. She pretty much think money grows on trees, and it's not that at all. So I'm like, what do you possibly may want that doesn't cost too much? My niece said she wanted some Crocs. Well, she said cheetah Crocs, but I think they have leopard or vice versa. And she was talking about charms for her Stanley Cup and gibbets for her Crocs. And I'm like, okay, so basically you want a Amazon gift card, right? And I'm like, cool, I can get there from, use the money that I have on Fetch, cash out, get a Amazon gift card. And like I said, I forgot about, of course, she wanted Crocs too. I'm like, cool. So I look online, but I noticed that the Crocs online, when you get ready to ship them versus going to the store down the street, was about $10 and some change in difference. So I went ahead and went to the Crocs store so they would have them at least by Christmas. Now, my niece, little sister, I asked her mom, because she's 7, I'm like, what did such and such say she wanted for Christmas? My sister is talking about she wanted some bedroom furniture, and I'm like, say what now? And I was just speechless. So she may get a Amazon gift card too, Walmart gift card. I don't even know. At this point, I know I'm not going over budget for Christmas. I just can't do it. I have medical bills that seem like they're starting to pile up, especially the retina specialist bill. I got that. I think that's 160 some, 80 some, 90 some. I don't know. And then I have another vision bill that's like $92, so I need to pay that, which I'm most likely going to pay from depending on how much those 2 bills are together, I may go ahead and pay it from my health savings account, or I do have over $300 for medical, so I can do it either way. So there's that. Next, we have Walmart. I did go to Walmart December the 20th. I spent $56.86. That food, groceries, whatever you want to call it, that grocery that I got from Walmart, that's going to last until getting back, or the day after we get back from Christmas. So I don't have to worry about any shopping there. And then I did make a payment for $44.62. 61 cents, sorry. And then yesterday I decided, since we do have a new In-N-Out, I decided, hey, you want to go try In-N-Out? So it was, let's just say, a 2-hour wait. And we have this app that we could use to check the different locations to see how long the wait time would be. But when I say I got a double, which is a double burger with double the meat, double vegetables, but I really didn't need the double vegetables, but they were good. And okay, Jasmine, you really over there snoring. Those tomatoes, they were so good. Oh my goodness. The burger, it was good to me. And I got the double burger, animal style. With animal style, it's sort of like their special sauce with kind of like Big Mac sauce almost, but tangy. So I got that. I got fries, which I was supposed to say I wanted them light well done, but I totally forgot about that. And I got a shake and sweet tea. Of course, I didn't need both, so I don't know why I did that. So me and Travis ended up getting pretty much the same thing, except for Travis had got a 4 for $4 burger, and he thought he was that hungry, y'all, but he found out after taking 2 bites he wasn't. But he ended up, I told him to take 2 of the patties off, put those in the refrigerator, eat the rest of the burger, and put the 2 patties on some bread the next day, and that's what he ate. And when I say I ate every bit of my food except for the shake, I finished it today. But $37.97, I would say I would go back, but that's one of those restaurants where you don't have to have it all the time. Now, some people do go to In-N-Out a lot, but I don't have to do so. So we have 2 things for fast food, and everything else is pretty much miscellaneous stuff. So I did realize after getting everything recorded and re-adding up everything, the totals were not correct. When I get finished with making sure that this was credited back when this payment posts, when this payment comes out, this the payment from Amazon for $139, and this is the amount that I have in my checking account ready to pay. Also, when this payment go through, I'll only owe $172.93, which I do have that money to pay. So I went through, just wrote everything out. I'm going to get everything highlighted like before. But have a great rest of your day. I hope you all enjoy your Christmas. Bye.